Imagine a sour and spicy coconut-based curry with the magic and sweetness of pumpkins and jaggery, and also sugarcane. Yes, you heard it right. The name of the recipe, pumpkin Khatkhate. Let's begin. This recipe actually is from a very small hidden town called Karkala, which is very close to Mangalore in Karnataka, Udupi. And this recipe is straight from the temples of Karkala and very few homes that are actually in and around Karkala. Imagine the magic comes in from coconut, jaggery, tamarind, coriander seeds, methi seeds, and then finally you do tempering of curry leaves and mustard. It also has bits of sugarcane, which is not optional, trust me. But when you eat it, of course, the pumpkin gets all mushy. But the sugarcane needs to be juiced out and discarded. Let's turn the flame on and begin with neutral oil. While the oil is just kind of beginning to heat up, let's add in urad dal and along with this, coriander seeds. And to this, a couple of red chilies, a combination of red ghee and Kashmiri. Let's stir this and roast till it's golden brown in color. Let's add this into the grinding jar. And along with this, fresh grated coconut. In the same pan, let's begin with water. To this, let's add in red pumpkin. Now these are peeled, but of course you can also add in with its peel on. Along with these, dices of sugarcane, salt, a marble-sized piece of tamarind, either soaked in water or added directly. Some pieces of jaggery. Let's give this a quick stir and cook on medium flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Once the pieces of pumpkin are 3/4 done, let's add in the wet paste and give this a good stir. Once the curry starts boiling, on the other burner, let's quickly start moving onto the tempering. Heat oil in a tempering ladle. We'll add in mustard seeds and curry leaves. And let's quickly now add this onto the curry. With this, ladies and gentlemen, pumpkin Khatkhate, Karkala temple style is done and ready. And mind you, do not confuse this with the Goan Khatkhate, which is Goan Konkani Saraswat Brahmin. That of course has a lot of seasonal vegetables like drumsticks, beans, carrots, pumpkin, colocasia, raw bananas and things like that. A completely different recipe, which trust me, I'll show you sometime very soon. But for now, enjoy this style with steamed rice. This is me, Varun Inamdar, and you are watching Get Curried. Bye for now.